Hello fitness family, it is Joel and today I'm going to show you a QDR bridge on the tutorials or for our tutorials. The QDR bridge is really hard, so we're going to do neural patterning. This is level 1. So you're going to need a wall and then you're going to stand probably, the more mobile you are, the further away from the wall you can be. Let's start with like 1.5 feet. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna start to arch my body. So I'm gonna start to squeeze my butt. Every time you arch your back, you should squeeze your butt to protect this junction here. It's really important. So every time you go into like a global bridge, you wanna squeeze your butt hard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze my butt, then I'm gonna look at the wall and I'm gonna reach towards the wall and I wanna put my hand upside down on the wall here and then press in with the heel of my palm. And then what I'm going to do is, while looking at my hand, I'm going to turn my hand like that. So I want you to see if you can just turn your hand. I'm on the pinky side of my hand. We'll call it the ulnar side of your hand because that's what it is. And then I want to turn and look at it. So you want to just do that a couple times, see if you can do that. After you do it on the left, look at the right, see if you can plant that. And again, see if you can twist through and push through the ulnar side of your hand. So if I have the mobility to do that. And also you should have a regular bridge, like you should have a full bridge before you do the QDR bridge. The QDR bridge is a high level bridge, really good for your entire spine, your shoulders, your hips, your back. And now here's the flow for the neural patterning. You want to get this down really smooth before we move to the floor, and the floor will be level 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to arch my back. I'm going to plant on the wall. I'm going to plant on the other one. Then I'm going to look at it. I'm going to twist through, extend my elbow all the way. And then I'm going to rotate my hand back, plant this one, twist through the ulnar side of my hand, push the wall away, extend my elbow. And I'm looking the whole time. For proprioception, proprioception is judging your body against space. It's easier if you're looking. So look. So let's see if you can do 10 reps. That's 1, 2. You should feel your back squeezing pretty hard. 3, if you feel it mostly in your lower back, you gotta squeeze your butt. We go slowly. And what I'm doing is I'm actually like screwing my arm through the wall. It's activating my external shoulder rotators, which is going to be really important for the next move. So if you can do 10 like that, and you're really pushing through this side of your hand, you should be ready to do the second level. So like, subscribe, and share, and then check out the level 2. This is where things get really gnarly. And if you can do it, drop a comment and see what's up.